Working. Just wanted to give you a quick update on Bitcoin. I wasn't going to do it, but we saw the price moving and figured I had a couple questions from people, so I wanted to just make a quick video rather than try to answer everybody individually. If Bitcoin is still operating within this ascending channel, and obviously it's been kind of moving sideways, but kind of the entire trajectory has been up for now. But again, as I pointed out yesterday, this does look like a possible bear flag. So what this is, though, however, this move that we've seen recently is kind of impulsive. I still have to believe that this is possibly market makers trying to squeeze these shorts. Remember, guys, shorts are still stacked at an incredibly high rate. I have to believe they're trying to take out those short positions, and the question is, how high are they willing to take price up to do that, and are they willing to possibly spark a bull run? Because remember, guys, it's a very fine line between pushing price up to manipulate the market and then people catching on thinking this is the bull run and triggering a bull run. I firmly believe market makers would like price to go down here lower. I think institutional money would like to get in on this at a much lower price. So I'm just not convinced that they're going to allow this to be the bull run that we're all hoping for. And that being said, we may see a short-term temporary bull run, or this may be something like we saw here where we just get a spike up and immediately drops right back down. So the key areas we're going to be watching for, guys, is breaking above decisively this 6750. If price can get north of 6750 decisively, by decisively I mean if we can get the daily candle to open and close above 6750, guys, or if we can even get a 4-hour candle to not only open but close above this 6750, both open and close, I should say, not open, not just close, but open and close on a 4-hour candle. That's going to be extremely bullish. And if this does come back down and start acting as resistance or as support rather than resistance, this 6750, because remember, guys, the 6750 is the inverse head and shoulders neckline, so that should act as a decent resistance right now. And if we can penetrate through it, it should act as support. And by penetrate through, it's got to be by more than the wick right here. So if we can get above that, guys, clearly we've got to take out the prior high at this wick, which is sitting at 6885. If we can get north of that 6885, guys, then I'm going to think this thing might have legs. The key area that we have to take out is between 7,000 and 7,100. Looking up here, guys, there's a lot of sell orders that are sitting right in this zone. We can see where the daily candle came up on 3 days in a row, wick, and then just completely collapsed. A lot of sell orders are sitting right up in here, guys. So we need to get north of at least 7,100 if this thing is going to have any legs. But in the meantime, guys, we're again watching this 6750. See if we can get north of that. See if this thing maintains and it's not going to be just a wick. If we can get the daily candle to close above 6750, it's going to be a very bullish indication, in my opinion. Looking at the RSI, let's go to the 4-hour. Looking at the 4-hour RSI, it's still also operating at an ascending channel, as you can see here, guys. As long as this handle holds, then we can expect a temporary, continuation of this kind of slow trickle. If it does break down to the price does come down and this support does break, that's going to be a very bearish indication, guys. Looking at our moving averages, we can see on the 4-hour chart, price is just now coming up and starting to meet the upper Bollinger Band on the 4-hour, guys. We'll see if we can see if it has a lot of resistance there or if it ends up just kind of going right through it. Looking at the daily chart, we can see on the daily, price is kind of just now coming above the 21-day EMA. If the daily candle can close above the 21-day EMA, guys, that's going to be a bullish indication as well. So let's wait and see how that ends up playing out. But right now, things are looking okay. But again, I remain very skeptical, knowing that those shorts are stacked so high, knowing that the market makers want to take out those shorts, guys, and knowing that they more than likely want to take price to a much lower level to get in. So let's wait and see how this ends up playing out, guys. It's a very fine line they're walking between pushing price up, trying to liquidate shorts, and possibly sparking a bull run. As of right now, we're nowhere near a bull run. If we look at the volume on Bitcoin, it's sitting at 4 million for the day. That's nothing. That's extremely weak volume. As I told you guys yesterday in my update, we need to see volume continuously above 10 billion on a daily basis. That's when you're going to know new money is entering the market. When we get above 10 billion on volume on a daily basis, guys, that's when you're going to know that we're in that bull run that we're all hoping for. So again, short term, guys, we got to get above 6750 to the downside. I do believe if this 6540, that was a strong resistance, should now act as support, and we can see that it did. If price does crash below 6540, clearly that's going to be a bearish indication, obviously. But if we do break outside of this channel, then watch out below. If we break out beside this channel, guys, the next zone we're going to be watching is 6280. If that breaks down, I don't believe this 6100 is going to hold. I believe it'll be a quick drop to at least 6,000, probably 58, 5850, 5900, somewhere thereabouts. But again, guys, we're nowhere there yet. Just make sure you know that this thing could turn around at any minute, just like we did here with that wick came up, trap people high. This thing could crash at any point in time. But what I'm keeping an eye on is short positions. As long as shorts remain stacked, I don't think that that price is going to crash. As soon as you start to see shorts get liquidated, then you're going to want to get very, very careful, and be very careful that price might be following right along with it. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it there. Again, I just wanted to get this out to you very, very quickly. I'm going to go run, but enjoy your weekend. I'll try to do an update if we get any massive price movement over the weekend. I'll try to do an update, guys. But until then, have a great weekend, guys. Trade safe. Take care of yourselves. This is working. Oh, by the way, mash that like button, guys, if you would. Upvote or a resteam or a like is certainly appreciated. Have a great weekend, guys. This is working. Signing out.